Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what? We have some flash sales going on. If you get these within the first 24 hours that they're on our website, flash sale prices! Now, if you're getting this, if you're watching this video after the first 24 hours, you get to pay regular price. But if you're a club member, then you're getting the club discount, and our regular prices are even way better than anybody else's prices. So you're still winning, but if you can get them the first 24 hours they're on the website, flash sale, flash sale. Okay, ready? Boom. So our club set this month is Woodland to Stamp, and look, we have our cute little fox and our little skunk and our little bear. But you know what? I needed to do more. So I've added more friends. Now we have a cute little raccoon, a porcupine, and a moose, which I absolutely love. From the gang, you're my partner in crime, because you know, little raccoons. You're looking sharp. Hey pal, sorry to hear about your prickly situation. Ouch. Moose you, very moose, and thank you, best buds. Now, I could not stop with just those. Well, first of all, let me show you these. Boom, we have dies that match. Of course, you know that, right? You know we are gonna have dies that match. But I couldn't stop at just that, so I added some more words, and here we have some more words, because you know what? Sometimes you just want to make sure you're saying the right thing, right? So here we go. It's your birthday, party like an animal, stay up late and eat garbage, because you know raccoons eat garbage. Isn't that cute? Okay, wish you were bear. Bear with me, sending you a bear hug. Relax, sit a spell, because you have that cute little stump to sit. You're a fox. I'm wild about you. You're a moosing. I love that. Just chilling with my pals. Sit a bit and enjoy the day. Sneaking by to say hi, because raccoons are very sneaky. And foxes too. Are you ready? Now we also have a fold it. This is a 5x7 fold it. And it's really nice because it gives a nice scene for our little animals. So let me show you, here's an example of that. It gives a nice scenery shot for our cute little animals. I absolutely love that. Look at, here's another cute one. You can put your little guys on there and they have like a little place to be, right? Which is really fun. Also releasing today is this amazing netting background. One of my design team members said, Stephanie, I want a netting background. And so I said, okay, you know what? We can do that. Here's an example of it, but that's only using half of it, which is amazing. You can also make it smaller to do something like this, which is really fun. And you know what? You're gonna use this one a lot more than you think, because look at this. You could also use it for like a volleyball net. Oh, I know, isn't that awesome? Totally awesome ideas, right? And you can even make it for the card backing itself. Look how gorgeous that is. It just adds so much interest when you use that netting background. So I absolutely love that. Last but not least, I'm all about footprints. The babies and I love to go to the beach, or even when we're in the dirt or anywhere, we love to look for footprints. And how fun is it? Now you have different footprints on here. I even added at the top what animal it is. So if you wanted to make your own backgrounds on your cards, or just like a little dun 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 dun, and then show the animal, how fun is that, right? Well, I have some more samples to show. I know I showed a couple, but here's some more. Look at how cute this little raccoon is getting out of the trash can. Now, where's the trash can from? Guess what, you guys? It's from the Cupcake Fold It set. Isn't that awesome? Just cut a little tiny piece of that and boom, there it is. I absolutely love it. Here's another netting background, but in a different color. Not brown, but a light blue. Isn't that beautiful? Wish you were bear. Isn't that cute? Okay, here's one from the gang. Literally, look at that. They are all there. It's your birthday. I absolutely love that. So cute. Open it up. Party like an animal, stay up late, and eat garbage. Don't you love that? Isn't that adorable? I love that. Here we go. Here's another cute one. Look at how fun this is. We have our cute little guys on there. It's your birthday. Here's another one. Oh, a flip it. You know I love my flip its. That cute little porcupine. Ouch! Thank you. Sorry to hear about your prickly situation. Oh, thinking of you. Sorry, thinking of you. Sorry to hear about your prickly situation. Isn't that adorable? I love that. Now here's a fun slim line with our triple square for the slimline dies. Those little guys peeking out of the cute little slimline card. And let's look at a couple more of those background cards, because look at this. You don't even have to add the little guys if you don't want to. Just make it look like a scene. Absolutely adore that. Oh, look at that. Using the reindeer. Using the reindeer. Add that cute little reindeer in there. So cute. Here's our little guys at nighttime. I'm stumped without you. Look at that. From the gang. I love those trees. Love those trees. And look how cute that. You're amusing. Now, club members, you're getting the club discount on all these products, but don't forget, I said the first 24 hours or until sold out, flash sale, so go get them quick. And if I went too fast on any of these samples, never fear, they're all on our website, on our online gallery. Just click on the product and click the View Online Gallery. You will see all of these ideas pop up and even more. You can even add your own ideas once you get these products. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.